this new video from Jay Rich, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the course that I've just released for newbies to help you lot make money with your TABOOLA ADSENSE businesses. I know a lot of you was asking for a low cost course that will teach you exactly how to create profitable campaigns, passive income profitable campaigns on TABOOLA, and that is exactly what I've done. So for the next maybe 10 people who buy, I'm going to be giving you a free profitable passive campaign that I am actually running right now on TABOOLA that you'll be able to model, add to your existing site if you have one, and run it. If not, I also wanted to cover what you get, because I know a lot of you have not set up your AdSense sites yet. You don't know how to do it, the whole system. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek into what you get in the course and what it covers. So again, we're going to be covering not just how to find profitable ads, but how to set up the profitable WordPress site. That is vital and key. You know, the exact way of doing it, the free themes you can use, and so on. How to create the profitable funnel, so the articles, the ads, the best positions for it to be compliant. It's not just about putting the ads anywhere. It's about making sure that the ads are compliant in the right places so that you get paid from AdSense and so on. Getting approved on TABOOLA, that's key. Not a lot of people know how to do this. You know, especially when you're from international countries, there's certain ways you have to do it to get approved. Optimization your campaigns for profit is the secret sauce. You know, to make sure that you know how to do the CPC and the bidding, the cost per click bidding, the data. I even released a video on how to get your site approved on AdSense. You know, so you don't need to go and pay anyone to set up for you. It's all there and it's all done. And then I go over also TABOOLA ads. You have to know how to get approved on TABOOLA as well, and so on. And there's more, as you can see there. And I'll also be updating more videos as well in the course, if necessary, if you need any more videos to help you. But anyway, this is enough to create a really super profitable TABOOLA AdSense business. So again, for those of you who are interested, again, the link is in the below. You can either message me on Facebook, because I also offer one-on-one mentoring and other options, done for you campaigns and so on for those of you who want it faster. Or you can check out the link below, buy the course, then message me on Facebook when you've bought it, and I'll send you the free profitable campaign. Again, that campaign is worth about $197 plus for those who usually buy it. But because you're my fans and you've been following me for such a long time, I'm feeling good and I'm feeling like I should do it. So again, this is for those of you who are interested in buying the course. Check out the link and look forward to the next video on my channel. Thank you.